And
I think according to religious sort of belief, then among the religion, world religion, two categories. One, theistic religion, is a belief creator, like Judaism, Christianity, Islam, and I think Zoroastrian also maybe believe creator. Then ancient Indian sort of one tradition, Sankhya philosophy, one part of Sankhya philosophy, so no creator, but rather self-creation. That's about, I think, 3,000 years. Then Jainism, Jain tradition. Jain tradition also, you say, no creator. And then Buddhism, no creator. So there are sort of different perception. So according to theistic religion, you see, God creates, today's world.
yeah.
Firstly, human being, male, female, and then their life limitation called lifespan. So, the other day, when I flying over Afghanistan, see, really a desert. Very sort of physical, very, very poor. There are many signs. Originally, some lake, now just desert. So, I want to complain to God. Why? See, you create some world more green, some world is more desert. Why? God or Allah, infinite love. Infinite love.
Infinite, sorry? Infinite love?
Infinite
yes.
love.
Infinite love.
So you see, God has a sort of infinite love. You see, kind to everybody, every sort of animal creature, every creature, wonderful. God, full mercy. But then, you see, I think the theistic religion very useful when we're passing through some difficult experiences. You see, we still hope to God, Allah. Isn't it?
Allah, yeah.
So that's very good. I think that's useful to keep hope. Hope, human life, very important. Once you lost hope, then itself shortened your life. Isn't it?
Indeed.
And worst case, suicide.
Thelma, you had a question to His Holiness about the role and the usefulness of illness and
yeah.
sickness.
So my question was the following. I am grateful for my health because I've experienced the flu and a fever. So I know what it feels like to be healthy. So I feel like, in a way, sicknesses like fevers and like the flu and short-term sicknesses, they have a meaning in life, a role.
그래서
And I wondered what your view is on illnesses in life, in the life of humans.
Okay.
What's your idea?
Very simple. Ask Ella.
No, I'm asking.
I don't know.
No, I'm asking you.
It's part of our life. This physical. All the sort of also sources of illness, old age, here. By nature. So then, only question, because of the logically, ask to the Creator, why you create that?
The question is more like, it's not like why do we get sick? That's not my question. Like, it's not unhappiness about being sick. I'm asking if you feel like sickness plays a role in life, and
I think,
or
I think, you see, the sort of unfortunate sort of, because of the experience is also useful to remind God.
Yeah.
When we happy, I think nobody say Allah or God. When passing through some difficult, then beyond our control, then remember Allah, God, God. Like that. So useful.
okay.
So in order to remind Allah, this is some sickness.
And for you, like that's for me because I believe in the God, but you don't believe in the Creator. So do you feel like it has an important role in life?
According to theistic religion, we are very sinful. We do not accept God. We do not accept Creator. So Bishop Tutu, great friend of mine. So whenever we met, he always teasing me and mischievous Dalai Lama. I respond, mischievous bishop. So we very, very sort of,
Close friends now.
a close friend. I really love that person, now too old. So one day, some serious discussion about 3 days. On one occasion, he half teasing me. He mentioned he as a Christian, believer of God, so he ready to go to heaven. I non-believer, so he mentioned Dalai Lama goes some different place. So strictly speaking, I think non-believer go to hell. So I think the pains and difficulties reminds God, Allah.
Okay.
I feel like that.
Thank you so much. Let's turn to Liz. Sorry.